Hello students, this is Dr. Maithili, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Arulmigu Palani Aandavar College for Women, Palani. Today I would like to introduce the topic about research methodology. So, first of all, what do you mean by research? A careful investigation for new fact in any branch of knowledge is called as research. Research is a systematic effort to gain a new knowledge. So, research means defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses and objectives, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making deduction and reducing conclusion, reaching conclusions, testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis or objectives. The important features of a research design. A research design must be a plan, a specified plan should be there, specify the sources and types of information relevant to the research problem, and a strategy which approach will be used for gathering and analyzing the data must be analyzed. The time and budget. Most studies are done under these two constraints. Characteristics of good research. First of all, a good research should be a systematic. All steps must be interrelated to one another. It should be logical, agreeing with the principles of logic. It should be empirical. Conclusions should be based on evidence or observations. And another important characteristics is objectivity. It must answer the research questions, replicable. It should be reproducible and transmittable, and it should be quality control. Accurate measurements are there. All well designed and conducted research has potential applications. First of all, we should define our objective. Try to keep this simple. The more variable, the more difficult. Use the opportunity, get help from experienced researchers. And check to see if your idea is original. Get articles, read the articles and their references. Most of these will be vital when writing up reports, finding research gap, find absolute measurements and result, define objectives of the study. Steps involved in a research. First of all, choose a subject, then literature review or literature survey, defining and formulation of specific objectives, prepare synopsis, procuring of suitable materials, design of experimental setup, preliminary experiment. Then next one is execution of the project, accurate measurement or data collection, data analysis and error compounding, hypothesis testing and verification, result and discussion, generalization, interpretation and drawing conclusion, and the last one is preparation of the project report or writing thesis. These are all the important steps which involved in a research. Process of research. There are five important process in a research. First one is research question or statement of problem should be framed. And the second one is formulating goals or objective. That is, we should frame the objectives of the study. And the third one is plan and research design. That is, research plan or research design. That is, sampling plan and research design should be it should be planned. Okay, then fourth one is generate research result. After the planning, we should generate result using data analysis method. We should generate research result. And the fifth important process is interpret result and draw conclusion. This is very important. Last one, interpret the result and draw the conclusion. So these are all the important five process of research. Next one is a research report generally include introduction and statement of problem, review of relevant literature, statement of hypothesis or research objectives, theoretical formation, description of research design, description experimental design, description of measurement and data analysis, error compounding, presentation of result, discussion, conclusion, limitations and implications, suggestions for future work, acknowledgement, reference cited and appendice. These are all the important topics which covered under the research report. Okay. The next one is type of research. There are a lot of types of research are there. First one is it based on application. That is that research is divided under application. One is applied research and another one is pure research. And then second one is inquiry mode, that is quantitative research and qualitative research are there. And then based on research objectives, two types of research are there, that is exploratory or formative research are there, and the next one is descriptive research are there. And based on the same under the things, diagnostic research are there and hypothesis testing research are there. So these are all the important types of research. Thank you.